Alrighty, so we're going to do a quick video and teach you how to switch your screens between your desktop and the projector. Show them what you know.
Okay, so right now we are on two different screens, and so in order to switch, you hit Windows+P, and you'll get your option. You can choose duplicate to make them the same, so what's on your screen will project on the board. Or you can switch between them. The extend allows you to have two different screens, one on your computer and one on the smartboard. And if you just want one screen versus the other, you choose the PC only.
Either the PC screen or the second screen.
And on this one, only the smartboard is projecting and your monitor is not. So to switch back and forth, on this one you can click second screen and it would switch it. And then from there you just click on whichever one you want.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.